When we think of robots, our minds often drift to futuristic sci-fi visions. But today's robots are already becoming part of our daily lives. From gadgets that serve food to those that offer companionship, robotic innovations are here to change the way we live, work, and interact. These modern robotic gadgets are designed not only for efficiency, but also to make life easier and more enjoyable. Each one serves a unique purpose, from helping around the house to offering emotional support or even teaching new skills. Let's dive into the top 10 modern robotic gadgets that you'll definitely want to buy, and wait until you hear about the last one. It just might change your life. Number 10. Gomer. Now imagine bringing a robot like Bellabot home, but instead of serving food, it helps with everyday tasks while keeping you company. That's Gomer, a companion robot developed by Glee Technologies in China. Gomer is no ordinary robot. It's designed to become part of your family. Equipped with a delicate hand, it can lift and carry objects, even fragile ones, without damaging them. Whether it's helping you tidy up or bringing you a glass of water, Gomer's gentle grip is perfect for the job. What really sets Gomer apart, though, is its ability to interact with you on a personal level. With a built-in camera, Gomer can take photos and videos that you can share directly on social media. It doesn't just stop there. Gomer's facial recognition technology allows it to greet you by name. It can even communicate with you remotely, making it perfect for staying in touch with family members when you're away from home. Priced at around $400, Gomer offers both utility and companionship, making it a unique addition to any household. Number 9. Lovat loneliness is a growing issue in today's world, and Lovat, developed by the Japanese company GrooveX, is here to help. Loveit isn't just another gadget. It's designed to offer emotional support and affection. Its very name, a combination of the words love and robot, gives you an idea of its purpose. Every detail of Loveit's design, from its big, expressive eyes to its soft, huggable body, makes you want to reach out and embrace it. Loveit does more than just look cute. It recognizes its owner's face, maintains eye contact, and responds to affection. Whether you're feeling down or just need a little comfort, Lovat is there to brighten your day. The robot's ability to interact in such a personal way makes it a perfect companion for those struggling with loneliness, depression, or stress. While its price tag of $3,000 may be steep, for many, the emotional support Loveit provides could be priceless. Number 8. MyPossor. Not every robot needs to solve a serious problem. Some are just plain fun. MyPossor, developed by the Chinese company WowWee, is a perfect example. This robotic dinosaur is packed with personality and offers hours of entertainment. MyPossor is equipped with a range of sensors that allow it to sense and respond to the world around it. Whether it's playing with its ball, following hand gestures, or reacting to your touch, MyPossor's interactive nature makes it feel like a living pet. But don't be fooled by its cute appearance. MyPossor has a temper. If you tug on its tail or push it too hard, it will growl and roar in protest. It might even chase after you in playful retaliation. With a price of just $150, MyPossor is an affordable way to bring a robotic friend into your home. Whether you're a kid or just a kid at heart, this dinosaur offers a playful and engaging experience. Number 6. MarsCat. MarsCat, developed by Elephant Robotics, is perfect for those who love animals but can't have a real pet. This robotic cat mimics the behavior of a live one, responding to touch, recognizing voices, and interacting based on its environment. It's even designed to develop its own personality, shaped by how you treat it, ensuring no two MarsCats are the same. MarsCat is also open source, so it can be customized to meet specific needs, whether as a pet or a learning tool for robotics. Hypoallergenic and low maintenance, this $650 gadget offers a lifelike experience without the hassles of a real pet. Number 5. Moxie. Moxie is not just a toy. It's a tool designed to help children learn, grow, and engage with the world. Moxie provides interactive missions for kids, such as drawing, storytelling, or creating messages for family members. The robot can also prepare children for new experiences, such as visiting the dentist, by explaining what to expect and easing their fears. Moxie's ability to converse with children and offer guidance makes it an invaluable companion for parents. Priced at $1,500, Moxie is a smart investment for parents looking to boost their child's education and socialization skills. Number 4. Lumo Lumo is an innovative mix of a companion robot and a self-balancing scooter. With its auto-follow function, Lumo can trail behind you while capturing high-quality photos and videos on the go. Its built-in camera and speaker allow you to communicate with others remotely, adding a layer of convenience to your daily life. Whether you're navigating busy streets or staying connected with family, Lumo's intelligent design helps you multitask effortlessly. Available for $1,800, Lumo is more than a gadget. It's a futuristic tool that redefines mobility. Number 3. Evo Evo, from the Czech team Ozobot, is designed for those eager to learn coding in a fun and engaging way. This tiny robot follows lines drawn on paper, distinguishing colors to perform specific commands like stopping, turning, or speeding up. Evo's unique color command technology makes it easy for both children and adults to grasp the basics of coding and problem solving. Schools around the world have adopted Evo, and 95% of teachers recommend it for boosting student engagement. For those who want to develop their coding skills while enjoying an intellectual hobby, Evo is an ideal choice. Number 2. MojoBot MojoBot also teaches coding, but it offers a different approach. Instead of following lines and colors, MojoBot is controlled using chips that represent specific commands. By arranging these chips, users can make the robot move, turn, and perform other actions. The set even includes a board game, adding an element of fun to the learning process. MojoBot teaches not only coding, but also math, algorithms, and problem solving, making it a well-rounded educational tool. For $130, it's an affordable way to introduce children to the world of programming. Number 1. Alfred Alfred is your all-in-one personal assistant robot. It wakes you up, displays the morning news, and reminds you to grab an umbrella if it's going to rain. At work, Alfred can be used for presentations, document scanning, and even checking in on pets at home through its camera. Whether you need it at home or in the office, Alfred is there to make your life easier. Its features go beyond simple tasks, offering functionality that enhances both productivity and convenience. Priced at $500, Alfred is a versatile assistant that's perfect for anyone looking to streamline their daily routine. As robotics continue to evolve, the possibilities are endless. These gadgets are not just luxuries, they're practical solutions for everyday problems and entertainment. Whether you're looking to add convenience, companionship, or education to your life, modern robots have something for everyone. The future is now, and with these gadgets, you can be at the forefront of it. Which one of these robotic marvels will be your next must-have?